How to get a free Google Voice phone number. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first open your preferred browser and then simply search for voice.google.com. Now go to sign in. After that, you will get this option of select a Google Voice number if it is available in your country. As you can see, this is not available in my country yet, but if your country has this feature or this app available, you will get this select a Google Voice number option. Then all you have to do is select your country or city code, and then a free phone number will be generated. All you have to do is select any of the number that is available and then verify it. A code will be sent, and after that, after entering that code, you will be able to verify and your phone number will be added. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.